What's up, guys? This is Bruno, 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about the John Deere Z370R electric and how we can get this machine into the mode where we can push it if we need to. Now, I know this is kind of a weird subject because most of the time we are hoping that our mower is running and that we are not having to push this machine. But as we know, with anything that has a motor or an engine, we do have the capability of having an issue. So therefore, just like on a gas machine, how you can change this mower from driving mode to pushing mode, this electric mower, battery powered mower here is going to have that same feature. Now, it is going to be a little bit different. On the gas powered ones, we are going to have a lever for each one of those hydraulic motors that run our rear wheels. But with this battery powered machine, what we have is two electric direct drive motors that are going out to those rear wheels. So therefore, the switch on this is all going to be electric to change that from drive mode to push mode. Now, right here, I've done nothing to the mower. The handles are out, so that means that the parking brake is set. So if I wanted to try to push this mower, the first thing that I would do is I would push those parking brakes in, push those levers in. That's going to disengage the parking brake. But if I don't know how the system works, I've done nothing to the mower, and I go to try to push this thing, I can push it. It's not just super easy, but I am able to push it a little bit. But we want to make sure that we're not going against those electric motors if we don't have to. So the way that we're going to go about pushing this is right back here in the rear corner. We have a switch, and to the left of that, we have a panel here that tells us exactly the order in which we need to do this to free up those electric motors. So I'm going to actually put these handles back out into the driving position. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my power button one time. That's going to turn the mower to where the system is on, but it's not ready to drive. Next, what I'm going to do is pull my handles in to release those parking brakes. Then I'm going to hit my switch. And once I've done that, now I am able to freely push that machine. I'm able to pull that machine, and I'm able to do that without damaging these rear motors. Now, to go back into driving mode, I get that mower where I need it to be. I'm going to hit my power button again, turn that machine off. That's going to reset the system. I turn that mower back on, and just like that, we are into driving mode. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when we are in driving mode, when you're looking at your display panel here in front, we're going to see this white bar across the top. Now, if we go into our push mode, once I push that button, you're going to see that white bar disappear, and that is going to mean that you are now in the mode where you are safe to push this mower. So to make sure that you know that you are in that mode, make sure that you're looking at your front display screen. That will tell you that you are safe to push this mower. So hopefully this is a feature that you never have to use on this mower, but if you do, that is how you do it. Very, very simple. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. Hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, if you're needing any John Deere parts at all, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey, guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.